Hi, I'm Alex, and in today's video we'll have a look at the Beats Fit Pro that came out at the end of 2021. I have to say that it took some time for this to be available in the UK. I've been looking on the market ever since they were released in the US, and a couple of months later I managed to get hold of them. We will have a look at their design, what they offer, how they sound, and if they are worthy of the price or not. The box is quite small in comparison to any other earbuds that I had. It has a couple of the earbuds features listed on the sides, and similar to the iPhone's box, it has two seals at the bottom. I can tell by the way this box comes off that the quality is different to what I was used with. In comparison to the AirPods Pro box, it is not that premium but not far off. In comparison to the iPad Pro box, there is quite a big gap. Once the box is open, the first thing that greets me is the Beats Fit Pro case. We will have a look at it in a moment. Then, under the tray, there is a compartment that holds all of the remaining items. It is a nice display. There are the quick start guide, the warranty card and the sticker. Then on the right side there is the USB-C to USB-C charging cable, which is quite short and easy to store, and on the left side there are the ear tips, small and large sizes. The medium size is fitted on the earbuds. There is no power adapter in the box. This is the case. It has a square design with the Type-C charging port at the back and the LED light at the front. Once the lid is open, there is the connecting button and the earbuds. I can feel the difference in the quality of the materials used and the sound made when the lid is closed. It is not as great as the one on the AirPods Pro or any other AirPods. The case is made of plastic, it has a matte finish, and there are times when I can see some fingerprints. I think this also depends on the color. The Beats Fit Pro come in 4 colors: black, white, purple and grey. I went for this color called Sage Grey. I think it looks great and it is different to any earbuds I had. I did notice 4 things. 1. It is quite difficult to open it with one hand. 2. The case is super slippery. I nearly dropped it a couple of times. 3. The spring in the lid is not as strong. As you can see now, it wobbles to the point where it lets the lid to close. And speaking of the spring and the lid, number 4, the lid has a play when closed and when open. The earbuds are held in place by really strong magnets. They look similar to the AirPods Pro, they have the same sensors and mics, plus they also have the Apple H1 chip for automatic switching, audio sharing and other features. The ear tips can be removed easily. Make sure that you have the right fit for you to benefit from the noise cancelling and the transparency mode. I can see the speaker grill is small, but knowing Beats, I assume the sound is powerful. They have a similar design to the Beats Studio Buds. The difference is that they have this ear hook for better fitment. Now, this hook is not removable. It is one size and part of the earbuds. At the bottom, it finishes in a physical button, which I like more than I like the pressure-sensitive button on the AirPods Pro. The button is quite sensitive and can be pressed easily by mistake. Do you know what else is also easy? To connect the earbuds to the device of your choice. Place the earbuds close to the iPhone, open the lid of the case and press connect when the animation appears on the screen. Thanks to the Apple H1 chip, there is no need to go to settings, Bluetooth and pair the earbuds from there, but you will need to do this process if you want to connect them to an Android device. Similar to the AirPods, it will show information about the media control, features and control center, then it will show the battery percentage for the earbuds and for the case. Now everything is set up and ready to go. The Beats Fit Pro earbuds are quite small and easy to fit in the ear. Just put them in, gently twist the earbuds back and tuck the ear hook or the wingtip, as you want to call it, into the upper ear. The ear hooks help them to stay put and they do not bother at all. I can barely notice them in the ear, which is a good thing. Before we look into the features, if you got value out of this video, be the cool guy to hit the like button. I can see that 99% of the viewers are not subscribed. It would be great if we can decrease that percentage, so hit the subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified of future product reviews. Now, let's get back to the video. The Beats Fit Pro are packed with a lot of features. Let's start with the media control. On each of the earbuds there is a physical button. At first I thought that when pressed it would push the buds further into the ear, but this button is so reactive that it takes just a gentle touch to push it and I barely notice any movement from the earbuds. Press once to play or pause. Press twice for next song. Press 3 times for previous song. And press and hold to switch from active noise cancelling to transparency mode or to activate the voice assistant. In terms of noise cancelling, they do a great job, but only with the correct ear tips. I had the ones fitted on the earbuds, the medium size, and it was okayish until I've done the ear tip fit test and I was suggested to try different size ear tips. Once I switched to the large size, I got this result that the ear tips I'm using are a good fit for both ears, and it made a difference. Having a better seal means better noise cancellation. For faster access, pull down the control center from the top left corner, tap and hold on the volume and select noise cancelling on or off. This is where you can access transparency mode as well. What this does is to activate the exterior mic so you can hear what happens around you if you listen to music. It is a great feature, I like it because I can go for a run, listen to music and still be aware of what happens around me. If the ANC is on, the fastest way to switch to the transparency mode is to press and hold on any of the earbuds. Another feature present on the Beats Fit Pro is the Spatial Audio mode. This lets the listener to hear three-dimensional audio, similar to the sound in the cinemas, where sound appears to be coming from all around, from the front, from behind, from the side and from above the head. It feels like being present at a concert. To take it a step further, Beats Fit Pro have two settings for spatial audio, fixed and head tracked. We all know what fixed mean. Regardless how we turn the head, the sound comes from the front. With head track, the sound comes from the front and stays there regardless how I turn the head. If I turn the head to the left, I will hear more on the right ear, and if I turn the head to the right, I will hear more on the left ear. This was the first time I tested this feature and I really like it. The Beats Fit Pro are packed with another feature called automatic ear detection. With this feature on, the earbuds will stop playing when one or both of the earbuds are taken out of the ear and resume playing when they are back in the ear. It comes in handy because I do not have to press on the button to pause the song when I take one of the earbuds out of the ear and press again to resume the song. I only do one move for two actions. The Beats Fit Pro are compatible with Find My, so you can see them on the map on your phone or even on a laptop or PC via the Find My app. In terms of battery, the earbuds offer 6 hours with ANC on and 7 hours with ANC off, and with the charging case it will go up to 24 hours. The case can be charged only via the Type-C cable. It doesn't have wireless charging. It does have fast charge, 5 minutes on charge gives around 1 hour of playtime. I've talked a lot about the features but didn't address the most important thing, the sound. Let me tell you, the sound is impressive. I really like it. I am a person that likes good bass, and the Beats Fit Pro deliver. The bass is bumped up, but I can't say the same about the mid-range. Nevertheless, the sound is really good. It is crisp and it has more room compared to the other earbuds. That spatial audio feature enhances the sound to the point where I feel that I am at a live concert, nothing less than what I was expecting from Beats. As you probably noticed, at the moment the sound is recorded via the Beats Fit Pro. I notice it applies the same low sound on the recordings with more bass and less treble. Nevertheless, the voice is understandable and clear. The microphone doesn't disappoint. This is a sample recorded via Beats Fit Pro. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. What sets these earbuds apart is the compatibility with Android devices. Beats Fit Pro easily connect to Android devices via Bluetooth straight out of the box. With the Beats app for Android, you get enhanced features like one-touch pairing, customized controls, battery levels, firmware updates, and a fit test to help you get the best sound and fit out of your earbuds. Now, in terms of competition, their direct competitor is the Apple AirPods Pro. Both of them have the same features, both of them have the same H1 chip for faster pairing, for automatic switching, audio sharing and other features, and both of them cost the same. Well, nearly the same, as you can find the AirPods Pro on offer. The only difference is the style, with ear hooks or with stems. They are cheaper alternative on the market, however they do not have the same features as the Beats Fit Pro. Some would say that the direct competitor are the Beats Studio Buds, but same as the other alternative, they do not have all the features that Fit Pro have. Whether you are an active person or just enjoy listening to music, these earbuds offer impressive sound quality and are packed with a lot of features. They are a bit pricey but are well priced compared to other earbuds on the market. I went for this unit as I wanted automatic switching from one Apple device to another without having to disconnect the earbuds from a device so they can connect to another one. This automatic switching and the spatial audio are my favorite features. What are yours? Let me know in the comment section below. Hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Hit the like button if so, and subscribe to the channel to be notified of other product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.